Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. Today's doodle, I'm going to show you how to draw Zenitsu from the show Demon Slayer. So before we get started, please feel free to like the video if you're going to like it. And please feel free to subscribe. It would be awesome if you would stick around for more videos and be part of our art fam here. All right, so let's start drawing with the eyes. So I'm going to start with a weird little shape like this, but I'm going to thicken it up. Like that. Okay, and so now I'm going to give it a little bit of space, and underneath that, I'm going to draw another weird little shape like that. And then we're going to do almost like an oval, but an oval with the top cut off. And inside that, I can do a line here, kind of like a straight line in the middle, and then a little straight line kind of underneath that, but the two ends here are left with a bit of space in between. And then I'm going to do a shape like this. Okay. So now let's do the nose. So I'm going to do a little line here and then a little line right here, but this one's like a little bit thicker than the top one. All right, so now I'm going to work on the other eye. So a little bit over here, I'm going to go and do a similar shape to the first one I did. Like this. And I'm trying to thicken this one up a bit too, just like I did with the other one. Okay, and then underneath that, I'm going to do the same kind of silly line I did underneath the other one. And then we're going to do another kind of oval with the top cut off. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker though. And I'm actually going to go back and make this one a little bit thicker as well. Okay, and so now I'm going to make the inside kind of match what I did with the other one. So we're going to do that line, and then in there we're going to do a little shape like that. Kind of like a, if you took the capital D and knocked it over. Capital D, knocked it over. Okay, so now let's do a little smile. It's not going to be a big smile or anything, but maybe one like this. And do a little line underneath. All right, and now I'm going to do some of the face shape here. So I'm going to start over here and go along the eye there. And then I'm going to come out and give it a little bit of a cheek. And then we'll come on down, a little bit of a pointy chin. And then come on up. And we're going to start on the ear. So I'm coming down a little bit like that, and then curving. And I'm not going to finish the ear right now because I want to do some hair first. So let's start working on the hair. So he's got all kinds of just chunks of hair. He's got a lot of it too. So there's going to be a lot of chunky bits happening. So a piece there, and come down, put one here, and come up, and bring that down like that. And let's make another piece right here. And come up. And right there. And over here, I'm going to do some more chunks too. And we're close to being done the hair, but not quite yet. A few more chunky bits. So let's do some more over here. And coming down past the ear a little bit, behind the ear. We're gonna have a few bits. And over on this side, we can add a few. And kind of poking out here. And a few over here. So the bottom of a lot of pieces of his hair are a different color than the majority of his hair. So I'm going to put some little lines, just kind of horizontally going across some of these, the end parts of some of these chunks. Because then we know what part to color are different color than the rest of the hair. And I'm going to do the inside of the ear now. So kind of a little silly line here. And come on up. And a little line like that. And that's good for the inside of our ear right now. Next, we need some eyebrows. So above this eye, we're going to do a line like this. And he's got some chunky eyebrows. And this one you won't really see very well because it's underneath the chunky hair. We can see a little tip there. Okay. So now let's work on the outfit. So we got a little bit of neck here, and we can start with a line like this for the collar of his shirt, and then come down, and then come down on this side too. And I'm going to do a little line right here, and come down, and then come around like that. And then do a line going down right here, and then coming over right there. And then I'm going to do a straight line going down right here. And then I'm going to do another one coming down here, another one coming down here, and I'm going to go over this way and go over that way. So now I'm going to do a line coming down, 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 down. And this piece of fabric is going around the back of his neck, and it's on the shoulders, and it's coming down like that. And we're going to do a line coming down this way, and we're going to do almost like a little hill right here. A little hill. That would be a very steep hill. All right, and we can do some buttons here. So 1, 2, 3. And this part of the outfit has lots of triangles. So I'm gonna put some kind of like on the side too, so you can only see like half a triangle. We can put them all over the place. Lots of triangles. I'm keeping them all kind of close to the same size. Some are a little bit bigger than others, but they're all pretty much like the same size. All right, so now I'm done my drawing, and I'm gonna get to coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our picture. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun drawing along with me, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next doodle. Bye!